Salut tout le monde, bienvenue sur KO Gaming, c'est KO, on est ensemble pour le chapitre numéro 6, enfin l'épisode numéro 6, sur The Walking Dead saison 2, et nous sommes en douce, on essaye de trouver une radio pour notre ami Luc pour sortir de cette pseudo-prison dirigée par un petit Bill Carver. Donc voilà, je suis à la recherche de radio, et je dois revenir dans mes quartiers. Ah ben voilà, les talkie-walkie. Je dois revenir dans mes quartiers avant la fin.
You think Bill?
Go on.
Nah, it's just I was wondering if you thought Bill maybe.
Spit it out, Hank.
Bah, vas-y, oui, c'est clair.
I don't think Bill was gonna let him back in.
Huh. You don't?
No. Do you?
I don't know.
Hmm.
So really, no bullshit.
Tu crois qu'on est
You think
prêt?
we're ready?
I think so. The homestead at least. I'm not sure about the expansion.
Bon, il se passe des choses en tout cas.
Moaning.
Donc oui, Reggie est
That's what
décédé
they do.
It's driving me crazy. It's really unnerving.
en le poussant
I know
d'un
what
toit.
you mean. Figure we'd be used to it by now.
I wouldn't figure that.
Never got used to a light buzzing or anything?
A little different when it's dead human beings walking around.
I'll give you that one.
So what are you doing tomorrow?
Bill wants me to start getting this bay door fixed.
Is that why you're down there?
Yep.
What happened to it again?
Troy backed into it when we brought the prisoners, the new people in.
See, it's hard not to call them prisoners.
Anyway, I'm looking at it now. I don't think we have what we need.
Jesus, really?
We repurposed a lot of shit to get this place built. I can't say for sure if we even had the materials before we started expanding.
I don't know about you, but it seems like we really shouldn't be doing this yet. Shouldn't we just wait until we need more space to make more space?
I don't know, Hank. Bill's got a plan. Look, let's say we call it for now. We'll talk later.
Alright, talk to you later.
Yep, later.
Out.
Out.
Hmm. J'espère qu'elle m'a pas vu. J'ai un doute, mais... Ok. Bon oui, Reggie nous a quittés, puisqu'il le trouvait trop faible, Bill Carver, le chef de cette prison.
You get him? Okay, jump down. I got you.
Ok.
We best get in bed. Troy will be back any minute. Well?
Got him.
Everybody stay where you are. No need drawing suspicion.
That was so cool.
Thank you, Clem.
I told you you probably wouldn't die. Nice job.
Ouais, bon. C'était fastoche.
Thanks.
Yep.
Jane.
Anyway, get some rest.
I thought about Duck today. About his dumb little face. First things that come to mind are always the dumb things he was doing. Kid was always running in circles. Every damn place he went, he'd just run. You couldn't stop him. Makes it harder to remember he was a good boy. Well, long day tomorrow. One long day.
Ah, il est vachement touché encore. Il a plus oublié Katia que Duck, mais bon. Après, on peut pas lui en vouloir aussi, hein. Il faut bien se reconstruire. J'aime bien moi les références au premier épisode. Alors, qu'est-ce que j'ai gagné? Je n'ai pas lancé le chrono, super. pivoleuse.
right, we're all here.
Someone's got to get the radio out to Luke. What's the problem?
We should probably figure out who's doing what before we...
Cachez-moi ça, putain.
Time to get up. Daylight's burning. They let you sleep in, all things considered.
Where's my dad?
He's where the rest of you are going. To work. Rebecca, Nick, Sarah, Jane. If you gotta take a piss, do it now. The next break won't be for a while. Troy will be coming up for the rest of you.
Why just them?
Like I said, Troy's coming for the rest of you.
All right, look, if we're gonna do something, we have to do it now. And if Luke's all we got, then we pair up with him.
I can do it. Where's the meeting?
Mike,
Yeah?
Clementine should do it.
Are you fucking kidding? No offense, but come on, that's crazy. She's a kid. Why would...
There's a million reasons. She knows Luke. She can hide. She got the damn radio for us in the first place.
Who cares?
And I'm sorry, Mike, but I don't know you from fucking Adam, all right? And if I'm trusting someone to do something this important, I'm trusting her.
You don't trust me to get a radio to someone?
Kenny's right. I should do it.
Don't do something stupid just to get some respect.
She doesn't need your respect.
Give me the radio.
All right, little chickens. Let's get to pecking.
All right.
And don't think today's gonna be like yesterday. No way. No shenanigans. This rooster's gonna be surveilling your ass every second of the day, you hear?
Ouais, t'as raison.
Got
Ouais.
that? I'm afraid I need an answer, girl.
Whatever.
Come on.
Oh, you have your pockets all out. Gonna get your tags all snagged on something.
Let's go.
Avec l'antenne qui dépasse. Moi je l'aurais mis dans la... Enfin au creux de mon pantalon et je l'aurais caché avec le blouson.
Hey, she's with me?
Oh shit, I almost forgot.
Yeah.
Well, take her then. I don't care.
Wait, what's going on?
Never mind.
Just chores of a different sort. Come on, City Mouse.
Can't you cut her a break? She'd really rather keep with us, people she knows.
It's nothing that'll hurt her.
Okay. It's okay.
Come on. I just wanted to make sure you were all right. I didn't believe you when you told me about Reggie. I ran and found Bill once I left you. Figured even if he had done it, he'd make up some sort of excuse, but Bill was just
quoi?
so matter-of-fact about it. Like he'd pulled up a
Ah,
weed
voilà,
or
oui.
something, like it had to be done, and that was just one of those moments when your blood runs cold.
Enfin, tu te rends
There's
compte, c'est pas
pimples
trop
up and
tôt,
down your
putain.
arm. 'Cause it turns out the person you thought you knew was never
Bah
there.
évidemment.
You look anxious, Clementine. Something the matter? You know you can talk to me, right? I was dishonest when I first met you, but I swear on everything holy that'll never happen again.
I need to talk to Kenny.
Do you now? I can understand you're uncomfortable. I won't force you to be around me if you don't want to. Go on back out and be with Kenny.
Je suis trop occupé pour te parler encore. J'agis comme une petite fille. Faut pas l'oublier.
Y'all better hurry that shit up. I hate babysitting you assholes.
Luke?
Puis...
Luke? It's me, Clementine. It's safe to come out.
Ça sent pas bon. C'était sûr.
That looks really old. He's probably fine. Luke! Where is he?
Alors, mais tu es où?
Luke, if you're hiding, come out. Luke,
Tête de caisse.
are you in here?
I swear to Christ you're gonna regret this.
I was...
You ain't supposed to be out here.
Putain, il commence à me gonfler, lui.
You people been here one fucking day and already you're fucking up. Well, you wait and see what happens. Move! Hey!
Putain, j'aurais dû laisser la radio, mais en même temps, on n'avait pas cette possibilité. Moi, j'aurais laissé la radio dans le... dans un endroit. Oh, enfin, on revoit Carlos.
And how is it that we're repaid for our trust? With treachery? With deceit?
Allez, yeah.
Theft?
They caught him.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Whatever you were planning is over. It's done. You can't just run from your problems. You can't just up and leave when it gets tough. Because there's nowhere else you can go where it ain't. Tough is all we got now. Get that through your fucking skulls. Luke here, he can't help you now. You gotta help yourselves. You gotta help me find the strength to forgive you. You can start by telling me where the other one is.
L'autre. Quel autre?
I'm gonna count to 3. If that radio ain't in my hand by then, we'll have to make things more difficult. 1. 2.
Maybe you...
It's right here. I got it.
It's all right.
Ouais. C'est chaud pour ton
Sorry
cul.
about that. Not sure what I was thinking.
3.
Fucker.
No!
God! Jesus Christ! Stop!
Stop him! Somebody stop him!
Troy, do
Let
something!
me go!
Stop! Clementine!
Help
You
me!
have to do this, Bill!
No! Stop it! Kenny! Kenny!
Moi, j'ai de Kenny, moi.
Little shit.
Bill! That's enough, Bill! Please! Bill, there's a breach.
All right, everyone come with me. Bonnie, you stick around. Make sure these folks don't get into any more trouble.
Putain, mais c'est incroyable, ce mec.
Yeah. Okay.
No supper for y'all tonight. Maybe an empty stomach will give you some perspective. And we'll try this again tomorrow.
Do your best with him, Carlos. You need to get him able to move, because we're leaving tonight. We're leaving tonight.
Ah, enfin! Enfin! Il y a du bon sens. Moi, j'ai pas hésité une seconde à aider Kenny.
Ow. Dang it.
Il est où, Kenny? toi, comment tu t'es fait choper, toi?
What'd she say?
She said she can get us out of the pen if we can get the PA system going. Second she hears it, she'll run over and spring us.
That's great.
It's not great.
What are you talking about?
Look, I know part of this is my fault. I know. I was hungry, I got reckless trying to steal some food, and I got caught.
We can't stay here.
Look, I hear what you're saying, but it's risky.
It is
Pas
pretty
là,
damn
moi.
risky, guys. Risky? Did you see what that son of a bitch just did? The plan works. Nothing needs to change. It's all set up. The hard part is done. This guy's fucking crazy. Who knows what he'll do next?
Yeah, but now we're dealing with a guy beat to shit, Sarita in no shape to do anything, and I'm a goddamn mess. Look, we should rest up, okay? We should bide our time, and we should wait for an opening.
Bonnie's agreed to help us tonight.
And that doesn't mean she can't do it some other night.
I don't know, guys. Luke's making sense. Maybe we should wait.
We're not waiting.
Ain't nothing out there, guys. Trust me, I looked. There's no food. There's no supplies. They picked everything clean.
Where's Kenny?
Doc's over there working on it. And don't look good.
Alors?
This is what I'm talking about.
Can I see him?
I don't think that's a good idea. His orbital is
Oh
crushed.
là là.
I don't think there's much hope for the eye. I got him as stable as I could, cleaned it, got some of the swelling down, bandaged it as best I could. But until he wakes up, we won't know if there's any damage to the
carrément.
brain.
Fuck. Okay, look. Maybe I'm just playing devil's advocate here, but if... Damn it, if y'all are serious about going tonight, then we're gonna have to start talking about maybe leaving some folks behind.
No!
There is no other way.
This is bullshit.
Well, I don't like it either, but guess what? It's where we're at.
Kenny and I are only here because of you people. And now you intend to leave us behind.
So we should risk all of our lives?
No, we're not leaving Kenny.
Moi, j'abandonne pas Kenny, c'est le seul
It's
qui me
not
reste.
fair. We stay together.
Life ain't fair, Clem. We're just trying to make the best of a bad situation here. No one wants to leave Kenny. Good. 'Cause you won't have to. I'm all right, hon. We leave tonight. Plan don't change.
Not bad, old man.
Thanks, asshole.
You are one tough bastard.
Do tough bastards get their ass kicked in front of everybody? You all right? That wasn't your fault, okay? So don't go blaming yourself. It's all right. All right. Well then what
Je pense
now?
que c'était le
We
mieux.
get the hell out of here. Like now.
Yes.
Where are we going? In case things get squirrely and we gotta make a break for it, we need a place to meet up.
We could meet out at Parker's Run.
The hell is that?
It's a Civil War site a few miles north. Tourist trap. Got signs all over. Just follow the road.
We stopped there after we escaped the first time. Luke and Carlos know where it is. It's not that far.
Well, at least if a few folks know where it's at, it'll be easier to find if we're split up. All right, that works. Then we just need someone to go set off that PA, right? I mean, you never bothered to explain who's supposed to do that.
Normalement, c'est moi, mais...
Wait, hold on. She's the plan?
Let's go.
Allez, moi je suis une warrior.
Be sure to remember to flip the switch for the outdoor speakers. Just the indoor speakers might not draw the herd. It's right on the microphone box.
Right.
By default, it's set to play music, so you should just have to turn it on, right? Then climb back up and drop into the stockroom. We'll meet you there.
D'accord.
Down into the office. Outdoor speaker switch. Turn on PA. Up to the roof. Down into the stockroom to meet you guys. That right?
Perfect. Be careful.
Okay.
Alors... Le bureau... J'espère qu'il y est pas dedans, lui, hein. J'aurais tellement aucun scrupule à me le faire, le Carver. Et le Troy, pareil. Ah.
Only one bullet.
Ah, ça peut toujours être utile. Alors, ensuite... Système de son.
Okay, now the mic. What? What's wrong?
Il y a un film dénudé.
No, 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 no! No, where are they?
Disque compact.
Come on, come on. Please work.
This 4th of July, make sure your backyard barbecue is complete with Howe's full line of products to meet your grilling needs.
Portes ouvertes.
You have the project, we have the know-how. Howe. From charcoal briquettes to propane tanks, Howe has all you need.
Allez, hop, on va sur l'autre. Ouh, mais il y a du monde, dites donc. Quoi? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? C'était quoi ce coup de feu là?
You want to disrespect me, fine. You want to throw away the life I'm trying to build for us all? Then fucking fine.
Putain, il est encore là lui.
Want to run off with this dog shit group of crippled fucks? Then fine. Be my guest. But I will put a bullet in you and that baby before.
Là.
Get back.
Come on, Luke. This ain't none of your business. This is just a bit of a custody battle we got on our hands here.
Shoot him.
Just shoot him.
What? No, I just...
Allez, on se débarrasse. Alors là, je l'avais dit. Pas de pitié.
We have to go.
Kenny, please.
I only need a minute. Go on. You don't need to see this.
That girl's already seen more than you can imagine.
Shut your mouth, Bill. You're all just gonna let him do this?
Yes.
There ain't one part of that son of a bitch I don't hate, but that does not make this right.
I'm not going anywhere.
It's gonna get messy.
I know.
Look at you.
J'en ai vu des horreurs déjà.
Great. I don't even know how good you got it.
Oh ouais, t'as raison, ouais.
That's all right. You'll learn. Lambs to the slaughter. No shepherd to guide you. Clementine knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Come on.
Come on, Clem.
Non, je reste.
No. I'm not letting you see this.
It's not your decision.
Atta girl. She ain't afraid to look it in the eye. You go with that feeling you got right now, Clementine. It's what makes you stronger than the rest of them.
Let's go.
Yeah, go on. Let the sheep out of the pen. We'll see how long that lasts.
I'll be right there.
You won't see anything.
That's funny, coming from you. How's that eye? Just follow my voice. It'll get you there. You got a thick fucking skull, Kenneth. Should have put you out of your misery right then. Now
Et toi, tu t'es vu, mon gars?
you're a mess. The fuck are you looking at, bitch? Don't act like you didn't love every second.
Ça forge le caractère. Voilà mon gars, tu ressembles plus à rien.
Let's go.
Bon, lui, c'est bon, c'est de l'histoire ancienne. Et il était temps, parce qu'il commençait à me gonfler au plus haut point. Réhabilitation.
No, I'm all right. Come on, we got enough to worry about. Man, we're never gonna make it through this.
Ah bon, pourquoi?
You kidding me? If Clem can handle it, you can. Shit, I thought they were coming from the south.
They did. Looks like we're in the eye of it now.
Fuck. This is fucked. Here, you're gonna need something.
Thanks.
Cool off with our selection of puzzles. Also a fresh cup of How's that for everybody?
Voilà. Et la petite Sarah, elle doit être traumatisée. Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Or you can die here. Doesn't matter to me. Do it quick. We need to get covered before the rest of them get close or we're fucked.
This isn't gonna work.
I'll go first. You're gonna put that on yourself?
J'ai déjà fait.
Sarah. Okay, now you. Turn around. Smells gross.
Shit.
Everybody shut the fuck up and get covered.
It'll be okay, honey. Just stay still.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. There's nothing to fear if you remain calm. I'll keep you safe.
Hurry the fuck up.
Turn around. I'll get your back.
Bah, c'est dégueulasse.
We ain't got all day here. Everybody ready? They're almost on us.
What in the actual fuck is going on here?
Mais qu'est-ce
What
qu'il
is this
fout là?
sick
lui?
shit? Someone say something before I start. Hey! Don't you even fucking think about it, motherfucker. I will end you. You hear me?
Troy, we talked about this.
What? The fuck you talking about?
I told you I wanted to get out. You said you'd help, then I'd help.
I thought you meant get out of the pen, not whatever the fuck this shit is.
I did. But now we can leave. Troy, you can come with us.
What? Well, where would we go?
Ah, il vient pas avec nous
Away
lui.
from here. Together.
Man, you smell really bad. You gotta get a bath before we... You shove a dick up!
Come
Bien
on.
fait.
Don't make any noise. Got it? They might hear something they don't like. And for fuck's sake, walk. Act like you belong, and you will belong.
Get over here!
Alors toi, ne crie surtout pas, s'il te plaît.
We got this, you.
Is that taken?
Where's Bill? We need him up here.
Stay calm.
Ouais, faut pas que les autres abrutis nous tirent dessus.
Watch Sarah. Quiet, honey. Clementine, come help me. Calm her down. Please, just say something. You're her friend. Clementine.
Dad!
Sarah, shut up! Sarah, did you...
Putain, elle s'est barrée. Ouf, j'ai cru que je m'étais loupé. Là. Bon, ça s'est pas aussi bien passé que la dernière fois. Marquis avait été tombé dans les vapes. Ah bah là. Ah non, c'est la copine de Kenny. Je crois que c'était Sarah. Mais c'est qui ça? Je lui coupe la main ou je vais devoir lui couper la main? Je pense que c'est le mieux, de toute façon t'es mordu ma vieille, donc là c'est soit je lui coupe le crâne à l'autre mais t'as toujours ta morsure et tu vas te transformer, soit je te coupe immédiatement la main et tu restes en vie quoi. Ça a pas marché avec lui mais ça a eu le temps de se propager. Et ça se finit comme ça, tiens, c'est étrange. 27 minutes, putain. Ah oui mais j'avais mis un petit peu plus de temps, c'est vrai, à mettre le chrono.
Sarah's glasses.
She's gonna get someone killed.
If I had said I had the radio, Carver might not have been as vicious to...
Don't ever think that, darling. No telling what that asswipe would have done to you. So how's it look? Am I still gonna be pretty when this heals?
You need to get past that walker without drawing all the others. What are you gonna do?
Trouver une solution. Ah non, elle va pas coucher maintenant, elle. Il est encore barré, Luke, mais c'est pas possible, ce mec.
Don't let them pull you down with them.
D'accord. Alors, avez-vous aidé Sarah avec ses corvées? Oui. Avec 54% des joueurs. Et vous parlez de Luke à Bonnie. Vous et 63,5% des joueurs avez décidé de cacher la présence de Luke. Abnégation. Vous êtes-vous dénoncé pour le vol des Talkie-Walkie? Vous et 66% des joueurs avez essayé de cacher le vol. Vengeance. Avez-vous regardé Kenny tuer Carver? Je fais partie de la minorité, je pensais pas. Et avez-vous tranché le bras de Sarita? Vous et 56% des joueurs avez tranché le bras de Sarita. Ça me semble logique. Hein. Ah ouais, il n'y a que assister à la mort de Carver qui n'est pas dans la majorité. J'aurais pas cru, franchement. Bon, et ben c'était un bon petit épisode. Hein, le fait d'être coincé dans une semi-prison là, et de se rebeller. On cherche à tout prix un moyen de se tirer avec les rôdeurs sur l'extérieur. Non, franchement, j'ai trouvé ça plutôt pas mal. Vous voyez, ça remonte un petit peu le niveau. Et par contre, j'aime vraiment beaucoup ce que je suis en train de faire avec Clémentine, quoi. Hein. Je l'ai protégée dans la première saison. J'ai commencé à lui apprendre à se défendre à la fin de la première saison. Et je commence à la rôder maintenant. Je fais exactement tout ce que j'avais envie qu'elle devienne pour le moment. Et ça, je trouve ça génial. Donc j'espère que cette continuité dans le personnage va continuer. de toute façon, on a encore le temps. On est encore au 4e épisode sur 5 de la saison 2. Je rappelle que j'ai la saison 3 en entière, New Frontier, donc on va faire tout dans la continuité. Vu que c'est vraiment tout à la suite. Alors, je ne vais pas faire Michonne. Il y avait un DLC. Enfin, c'est pas vraiment un DLC. C'est un jeu à part entière, The Walking Dead, du nom de Michonne, qui fait plutôt apparemment office d'un spin-off qui met en scène un personnage mythique de la série télévision. Alors je n'ai pas vu la série. Alors celle-ci, vu que ça n'a rien à voir avec le reste, je ne la filmerai pas. Du moins pas maintenant en tout cas. Mais voilà. Après la saison 2, je m'attaquerai à la saison 3 et j'en aurai terminé avec cette série de jeux sur ma chaîne. Mais on a encore le temps, hein. On a encore 7 bons gros épisodes, donc ça devrait le faire. Voilà. Bon, pour revenir à cet épisode-là, moi franchement, ouais, j'ai trouvé que ça remontait un petit peu le niveau. On voit vraiment que Clémentine va faire des choix de plus en plus importants. Voilà. On a eu quand même le gars là, je sais plus comment il s'appelle, celui qui nous dit c'est pour ton respect machin, celui qui ne voulait pas qu'on aille donner la radio. Enfin quelqu'un de sensé. Mais voilà, faut pas oublier avant tout que je suis une petite fille de base et que j'essaie de me forger un caractère plus ou moins avec ce que Lee m'a enseigné dans la saison 1 et avec ce que je vis dans cette saison 2, déjà de base toute seule et ensuite dans un nouveau groupe déjà intégré entre eux et où je dois me faire ma place, quoi. Et là, cette place, je suis en train de la faire. Donc c'est vraiment, vraiment, vraiment très bon. Voilà, j'aime beaucoup la continuité du personnage de Clémentine. Kenny a failli prendre très très cher. Donc voilà, mais il est toujours parmi nous, avec ses qualités et ses défauts. Et on verra jusqu'où on ira avec Kenny. Voilà, j'ai voulu l'enlacer quand ça allait bien. C'est un peu mon seul repère maintenant, hein, avec tout ce que j'ai vécu. Kenny, quand on était avec Lee, on l'a rencontré dans le premier épisode, quoi. On le connaît presque aussi longtemps qu'avec Lee, si je puis dire. Donc c'est un peu mon troisième père, quoi. Il y a eu mon père biologique, il y a eu Lee et il y a Kenny. Même si je l'aimais pas trop dans la saison 1, son expérience a fait que c'est toujours du Kenny, mais il s'est un petit peu forgé un caractère qui fait que il sait prendre un petit peu de recul sur les choses, peut-être maintenant. Donc voilà, j'aime beaucoup la continuité de son personnage aussi, et c'est toujours intéressant de manipuler les actions avec ces deux personnes-là. Voilà, bon j'espère que cet épisode vous a plu, n'hésitez pas à commenter, à partager, à pouce liker, et moi je vous dis à bientôt pour la suite de nos épisodes sur The Walking Dead, notamment sur la saison 2. Ciao ciao les amis!